Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I'm really excited. I want to share with you a sneak peek of the May Sweet Creations Club projects. It is actually going to be using one of the new bundles that's coming in the new annual catalog on May 3rd. But I wanted to just kind of show you what the projects look like and tell you how you can get your project kit as well as what supplies you'll need. So as I said, we are going to be using this really fun bundle called Bottled Happiness. It comes with a punch, really fun set and stuff. It's two-step stamping for your flowers, and it's just a really fun set to play with. So the projects that we're going to be making are 4 cards and a really fun treat holder. You're going to have to use your imagination a little bit. On this card, it is using the little jars and the little 3D jars there, but I forgot to order the little gems that go inside. They are on order and they will be in your project kit, but I just forgot. So anyway, just imagine, those little fun little glass, those little gems that they put in the bottom of the vase. That's what's going to be in there, those tiny little gems for that. And this really cute little card here. You lift it up, little flap there. And then we've got this really fun little wine card. And we got this one, little message in a bottle. Got a little letter inside, little message. And then we have our treat holder that we're going to be making. And just a really fun little champagne jar or little bottle to put inside. So the supplies that you will need, as I said, you'll need that Bottled Happiness bundle. You'll also want to have 2 ink pads, the gray granite. But you'll also want the new Starry Sky. This is one of the new InColors for 2022 through 24. Now, if you are signed up for my InColor Club, then I will make sure you get this ink pad as your first color so that you can have it for your project kit. You'll also you'll want to have some adhesives. I recommend either your favorite tape or liquid glue. Some mini glue dots and Stampin' Dimensionals. Now, if you are not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a monthly subscription club where you get the project kit plus about $20 in Stampin' Up! Products included in your package, as well as first class shipping with tracking. The cost is $39 each month, and once you sign up, you just get that kit. You get a fun kit in your mail every month, and you don't have to think about signing up all the time. So you can go over to my blog and sign up for that, or click on the link here in the post. If you would like to just try a kit for 1 month, send me an email and I will be happy to send you an invoice so that you can try it out. This cost is still the same. It's $39, but it's a really fun way to try out what a kit looks like and all the fun goodies that are inside. So guys, I am really looking forward to sharing this really fun project kit with you in May. So reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye, guys.